Alright, here we go. We got the Winchester Super X Power Points, 260 grain, 450 Bushmaster, and these are flying out about 2110 feet per second out the muzzle and 2570 on the, somewhere in there on the energy. We're going to do just a simple water catch, shoot the water jug, catch in the denim, and see what we got left. So stick around, folks. It's gonna get interesting. Holy shit. Damn. Alrighty, let's go see what we can find. Holy shit. Alright, now I'm not promising much here. I don't know. We had water jug, 5 pair of jeans, another water jug behind me. Totally, this was the entrance right there. I mean, there ain't nothing left. I know this was the first pair of jeans. Alright, I might have a piece of bullet. I definitely got, alright, well, yeah, it looks like we went through the first pair. And here we go. Sticking out the second pair. So technically I'm going to call that penetration. A 2 pair of jeans and a water jug. And a nicely looking bullet here. Nice mushroom here. Nah. Alright, here we go. Got the Winchester. Blah, blah, blah. Y'all already heard it. But here we go. That is what we got left out of that. Not too bad at all. Yep, I chopped my finger one time. Long time ago. That's a scar. But, yeah, not a bad bullet. Let's see what we got on expansion going on here. I'm going to try to take some of the denim out just a little bit. Not trying to destroy the bullet. Alright, here we go. On expansion. Ooh, we don't want millimeters. We want inches. One angle we're at 0.68, but we can be at 0.68 again. So not too bad. Let's see what we got. 0.44 bottom to top. Got thunderstorms blowing around us today over here, so if you hear a boom, it wasn't me. Well, we got a 260 grain. We got 235. No, 231.5. That ain't bad. Not bad at all. Well, 230, whatever. But like I said, that is a pretty bullet. Mushroomed out nicely. And y'all seen the punch it had. I mean, that slammed everything. That's crazy. It's definitely going to be a showstopper right there. Thanks for watching. That's another cut on my hand. Y'all see a pattern going on?